Something new. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Deepu's Decode. Let's learn something new today. Today we are going to learn about static local functions in C Sharp. Static local function is introduced in C Sharp version 8.0. If you add static keyword to your local function, then it will turn as a static local function. Static local function is a additional feature of local function. That means there is no much difference between local function and static local function. The difference between static local function and local function is the way of accessing enclosed variables inside the local function. That is the difference between the static local function and local function. If you have idea about local function, then only you can able to understand static local function. So if anyone don't have any idea about local functions, in the next slide I will explain about local functions. And if anyone have already idea about local functions, then let's jump in the next slide and directly go to demo session for how to implement static local function in our program. Let's see what is local functions. These local functions are introduced in C# version 7.0. Local functions are declared inside the methods or constructors. Here local function means if you declare any method inside the method, that method is called as a local function. For example, we have a method name is A, and inside that method A, if you declare any another method, that method is called as a local function. Local functions will make our program more readable. For example, if you have any repeated code inside your method and that repeated code will not use any outside of the method. So with the help of this local function, we can create one method inside the method and we put that repeated code inside that method. So the program will make more readable. Because here with the help of this local function, we are removing the repeated code. Local functions by default it is a private methods. So we cannot able to add any access modifier to the local functions. Now we are learning about what is local functions and the difference between static local function and local function. Now this is the demo term. Let's see practically how to implement local functions or static local functions in our program. Here I am opened a console application and I have created one class and one method. So if you want to declare local function, any method, inside the method we can able to declare a local function. The way of declaring local function is similar to way of writing the method. Here I have created one method inside the demo method. So here test local is the local function and demo is the my main method. This is the way of creating local function. So we can able to create multiple local functions inside the single method also. Here you can see that I have created two local functions inside the demo method. Here you can see that I am not declaring any access specified to my local functions. For example, now I will try to add my access specified to local function. Here you can see that I am getting one error like modifier public is not valid from this item. So we cannot able to add any access specifier to local functions. Now we have created two local functions. But if you want to create any static local function, if you add any static keyword to your local function, then it will turn as a static local function. Here you can see that static void test local one. So test local is the local function and test local one is the static local function. Now I will show you how to call local functions inside the method. In my demo method, I have created three integers. One is result a and b. I want the addition of a and b inside the result. So here test to local, my local function contain, I have addition the a and b and result will be assigned to result integer. So if you call this test to local method or test to local function inside my method, the result will assign to result integer. The way of accessing local functions is similar to way of calling the methods also. So here I am calling test local inside my demo method. Once it is executed, the result will come like 5. One important note about local functions is local functions will not have a return type. By default, it is void only. If you try to return add any return type, you will get the error. Now I will show you. Here I am trying to return the string, but I am getting the error like not all could path return a value. So local functions by default void only. We cannot able to return any data. Now let's see the difference between static local function and normal local function. If I am trying to access any local variables inside my method in static local function, I am getting an error. Now I will try to access this local variables. Here you can see that I'm trying to accessing a local integer 2 inside my static local function. I'm getting the error like static local function cannot contain a reference to a. So inside static local function, we cannot able to access local variables inside the method. That is the main difference. Here you can see that inside my test local, I can able to access a integer and b integer. But in my static local function, I cannot able to access local integers inside that method. That is the difference between static local function and local function. Apart from that, there is no difference between these two.
Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel The Pulse Decoder and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.